date night dinner was a great idea. Maybe they could go see a show as well.
I like the way you think, Keira. Now let's get them some tickets to see Hot Jersey Nights down at the Broadway Theater at Broadway at the Beach. I love their music. I know they will too.
Let's go check it out.
Okay.
Live at the Broadway Theater, November 1st through December 29th, Hot Jersey Nights, the music of Frankie Valli and the Four Seasons. Experience this sensational production, paying tribute to the phenomenal and unique voices that rocked the airwaves for decades. Frankie Valli's hot songs include Big Girls Don't Cry, Walk Like a Man, Sherry, Oh What a Night, and many, many more. Call the Broadway Theater now at 843-626-7645 or visit BroadwayTheaterMB.com. Mention promotional code TV30 to get 30% off your entire order. Hot Jersey Nights. The music of Frankie Valli and the Four Seasons live at the Broadway Theater is not to be missed. Hot Jersey Nights. Get your tickets now.